In this video, you'll learn how to ask eBay to step in when you encounter issues with a transaction. By following these steps, you will understand how to effectively request assistance from eBay's support team. Begin by logging in to your eBay account. After successfully signing in, navigate to the purchase history section, which you can find in the drop-down menu under My eBay. This area displays all your recent purchases, allowing you to locate the specific order related to your issue. Once you identify the correct order, click on it to open the order details page. This page will provide you with transaction information and options to resolve issues with the seller. It is essential to ensure that you have already contacted the seller before seeking further assistance from eBay, as this step is generally required. If you find that the issue remains unresolved after your attempts to communicate with the seller, look for the option that allows you to request eBay's assistance. This option typically appears after a designated time period has passed in the case resolution process. You will see a button labeled Ask eBay to step in. Click this button to proceed. The next step involves providing clear and detailed information about the issue at hand. It is important to explain why you need eBay's help, as accurate details will facilitate a better review by the support team. After submitting your request, eBay will begin the review process for your case. The support team will examine the details you provided, which may include analyzing the messages exchanged between you and the seller. This analysis is crucial for determining an appropriate resolution based on eBay's policies. Following your request, you should expect to receive notifications regarding the status of your case. It is advisable to monitor these updates closely. During the review process, be prepared to respond promptly if eBay's support team requests additional information. Your timely responses can help expedite the resolution of your case. The final decision regarding the outcome will be communicated to you through notifications in your eBay account. Make sure to check these notifications regularly to stay informed about any updates or required actions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.